hey you guys, welcome to another Madden video. We are still rebuilding the Carolina Panthers. We are in the playoffs, and you can see I got the Panthers the number one team in the NFC. We have a bye week first, so in the divisional round we might take on the Niners or the Giants. So let's see who we have to play in the divisional round. It's been a while, so let's look at the team first. See who we got. I forgot who I have. That's right, we got Tua Vailoa at QB. Miles Sanders is our fullback. Tyler Algier is our starting running back. And we got Joe Mingo and Jameson Williams, and we got Marquise Brown as our tight end. And our center is still hurt for another 2 weeks. So we are hurting at center. But we are the number one seed in the NFC. So let's see who we gotta take on in the divisional. So we are facing the 9-8 New York Giants. Let's see who's gonna get upgraded. Nobody good's getting upgraded. We are in the divisional round. Let's play the divisional round. Offense only here. Here we go. The divisional round is gonna be starting up real quick. We get the ball first. Wait, what happened? Oh my god, we're not in there anymore. Why isn't my guys in there? I think I have to. I have no idea what's going on with this team. Do I have to do this? This always happens. I don't know why. Where is it? Progress. Cut day. No. Hmm. Okay, I think it's. I want to say it's back on again, right? Let's see if that works, because that's not cool, man. Let's see if it worked. Because that's not cool, because I have all those big names and it's not helping me. Okay, here we go. Can we get the ball? No, it's still doing it. Why isn't my guy in there? Are they injured? Alright. Oh wait, Tyler just hurt. Mingo's hurt. Oh, that's why. Okay, all my guys are hurt. Damn. I thought it was something wrong with the team, but it's only injuries. Jesus Christ. Can we break a set? Alright, there we go, Sanders. And now we hurt Miles Sanders. Wow. This is not cool. We are on our third string running back. Come on. Jamison Williams with the speed. Oh man, we do not have a running back. We do not have a running back. Who is it? Ballard guy, man. Oh God, come on. Can we go to the opposite way? No. Oh God, this is gonna be hard without our starting running back and our backup running back. Jesus Christ. It's a 3rd and 10 play. Oh, this is not looking good for us. Intercepted. I knew it was gonna be intercepted. I knew that was gonna happen. And they scored on us. We cannot catch. I cannot catch a break. Oh come on, Jamison Williams. You need to grab onto that ball, man. Oh man, this is not looking good for us. Me, Shepard has the ball. We need 6 yards again. If it works, it works. Alright, here we go. And we are, how many yards are we shot? We're 3 yards shy, huh? We're going for it. We're going for this. Boys, we're going for it. And we got it. We got it. Jamison Williams, come on. Shame-o. Oh, J-Mo, why couldn't we lob it up? Woo. Is this only drag routes that are gonna work right now? Oh my God, come on! Are you serious right now? I had the guy wide open. Oh. Crap. Pass interference, ref. Come on, that's a pass interference. They scored 3 points. We need to get Kent back. Oh, without any. Yeah, I didn't like any of these plays. And nobody blocks. Jesus Christ, come on, man. Somebody give me some blocks. Okay, this is not cool, man. That was all out blitz pipe, man. That was all out blitz pipe, man. Come on. Oh, we need to break that. You need to break that tackle. You have speed. What is? Don't know. 18 yards. We need to score. Touchdown. The third street running that Ballard gets in for a touchdown. We are back in it. We just need to 2 minutes left in the quarter, and let's see what we can do. Wide open in the middle again. That route is always open there. Always open. And we're at the 2 minute warning. And we are down by a field goal. Can we make a comeback? We have 2 minutes to get into. We can't even get 1 yard. Oh, this is not cool, man. This is not cool. Come on. Yep, speed. And that was the speed by Jameson Williams with the touchdown. And it looks like they could not get anything going. So we are up by 4. Let's see if we can get something wide open. Let's take a faster route here. We got 1 minute 31 seconds left. We'll definitely. We are gonna set Williams on a slant. Get a wide open guy right there. Then take a timeout. You know what? I just want to take a field goal. And the field goal is good. We are up by a touchdown, folks. Up by a touchdown, folks. And we stopped it with 3 seconds on the clock. I'm not gonna do anything stupid here. I'm just gonna run the clock out. And let's go into the third quarter. Let's go into halftime with a 7-point lead. Here we go. Let's kick the ball off. We are up our touchdown. And the kick is perfect. Perfect. And there we go. Can we get the ball back without the score in here? And they failed to score. They turned the ball over to us, and we are in. We are going to be in. Oh, not enough speed by the other running back. So let's just see what works. The, the dig routes are working so well right now. So, dig route. All about the dig route. H-back slam to the other side. Look at all those guys over on that side. Oh, the guy could not get the. I could not get the spin move. Let's go another H-back slam. And we cannot get it. We only got one on that. Yeah, we only got 1 yard on that. They're playing way off my Shepherd, man. Shepherd is gonna be one. Yep, Shepherd hangs on to it, and we are in business again. We only need one more yard to get the first. So, and on third down, he gets 4. We needed 1, we got 4. We are driving down the field, folks. Let's do an inside run, see if this inside run works. My center is. Why is it every time I do something, one of our guys gets hurt? Jameson Williams got a long touchdown. So. Why did he need to put his hands up? Okay, God, you gotta be kidding me. We are 1 yard shy. We need 1 yard. We need 1 yard by somebody. Come on, somebody make a play. Make a play, and he makes a play. Our slot receiver. And now we lost our right tackle. Oh, right, yeah. This is not good. This ain't good at all. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, here we go. And he drops the ball. What? Is he allergic to the... Is that guy allergic to the ball? Because he just dropped it. What kind of tackle was that? Nobody tackled me. Jesus Christ. What is that? A phantom tackle out of nowhere? Oh, this... Nah, let's go for the field goal. And we are up by 10 points. I would have liked the touchdown there, but it take the point and lead by 10. And they can't do anything against this Carolina. Ooh, they throw an interception. And the run only gets me about a couple of yards. And and the running back can't get anything. It's a stretch play to right. Oh, come on! Alright, we're on the goal line. And we cannot get in. Oh, God, that was horrible. We are still up by 10 points. Not anymore. We're only up by 7 points. No, 3. We're only up by a field goal. We need to run the clock out. That. Here we go. We get that. We get another injury. Oh my God. How many injuries are we going to have? This is a... Oh, injuries. Injuries. Low. Injuries suck. Shepherd and... I have no idea who Mountain is. And we can't get nothing in the running game. We need to keep that guy. Okay, let's see if we can get that. Okay, we are. How many yards is that? 3rd and 9. Coming right up. This might be stupid, but I'm going for the same play underneath the guy. And we get the first. Oh, we get the first. Woo. That was close. Really? Come on, really? You really gotta get that. I really gotta get that playoffs, man. Let's see. I am not gonna. I'm not gonna fail, but I'm taking a shot. First down. First down is over. Yeah, no more time now. Let's just run the clock out. The running back is rolling now in the 4th quarter, and we are up by a field goal, and the time is ticking away. Okay. This is going to be a 3rd and 3. Let's see if we can get this. 15 seconds. And we get the first down with the tight end, and it is done. Here we go. It's celebration time. We are moving on. We are moving on in the playoffs. We are rolling in the 4th quarter. And yeah, it's simple. We are go. He cuts back. get a little more yardage here. And the game is over, and the Carolina Panthers advance in the playoff, and we are going to the conference championship game with the Carolina Panthers. And let's see, man, we beat the New York Giants by a field goal, and see who we play next. Next, we play the Seattle Seahawks. And we are solid on offense. On defense, the defense could use a little work, but we're still in the conference championship game. We are one game away from the Super Bowl, folks. We are one game away from the Super Bowl. The number 1 seed and number 2 seed in the AFC made it to the conference championship, and the first seed and the 5th seed made it to the conference. We are only one game away from the Super Bowl. But guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. We made it to the conference championship. We're only one game away from the Super Bowl with the Carolina Panthers. Next gameplay is going to be the Carolina versus the Seattle Seahawks. Whoever wins that one, we make it to the Super Bowl. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red button. It really helps me a lot. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me for all these years. I really appreciate it. Without you guys, I would not have a channel at all. And like I always say, stay safe, stay positive, and go Pack Go. And I'll see you in the next Madden video. Alright guys, you have a great one. I am out. Bye. See you boys.